by the station.
Where is Doobop?
News.
News? What happened?
Hello, I am Bob. Not the factory manager Bob, but the reporter Bob, live with Monster Music News. Today, we are on location, down by Monster Station, the site of a very bad traffic jam. We are here to find out what is the cause of such a bad traffic jam. As you can see, the cause of the traffic jam is the Monster Music car. With me now is the driver of the Monster Music car, Doobop. Doobop, what is the matter with the Monster Music car?
I don't know. I was driving to the Monster Music Factory and it suddenly stopped.
It suddenly stopped. Well, was there a car accident?
Oh, goodness, no. I don't know what's the matter with this car.
Very strange. Well, maybe we should ask the Monster Music car. Monster Music car, what's the matter?
It doesn't say a word.
There really must be a problem. Let's call Factory Manager Bob. Factory Manager Bob? Hello, Reporter Bob. Hi, Doobop. Hello, Monster Music car. Oh, Monster Music car. Oh, what's the matter? Are you sick? I know I should have taken better care of you. Don't worry, I'll fix you.
What about me?
Well, you just meet me back at the Monster Music Factory.
And how do I go there?
Well, Doobop, you are down by the station. Take a train.
Take a train?
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡